Loves, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, we will be working with Luvwin hair, so thank you so much to Luvwin hair for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over this real cute salt and pepper glueless wig, and as you guys can see, this wig can be styled in 2 different ways, and it is 100% human hair. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned and keep watching because you're not going to want to miss it. Of course, we're going to start with unboxing. So Luvwin hair, they always send me over a few supplies in their packaging. They sent me a headband, some eyelashes, some extra clips, a comb, and some wig caps. So now let's get on into this wig. So this is their 5x5 closure wig. This wig is in the length 16 inches, and this wig is 100% glueless. And what I also love about this wig is that it also has like a grip silicone material around the wig, which is going to be perfect for this glueless install. Also, it does come with an adjustable strap as well, which we're going to be using in this video because, like I said, this is glueless, so we need all the support and the security that we can get. This wig does come pre-cut, so you guys do not have to worry about cutting off the lace, but I'm just going to go ahead and cut off those 2 little pieces on the side real quick because I just felt like they was just in the way a little bit. But this wig does come pre-cut, so you don't even have to worry about cutting the lace. What I'm going to start off doing is just parting my hair. So I'm going for a side part, as you guys can obviously see. I just thought the side part would look better. You could also style this wig in a middle part, whatever your preference is. It really doesn't matter. But I went for a side part, and also as you guys can see, this wig is curled because it does come with curls. Straight out of the box, this wig does come with curls. So what I'm going to do is just style the side part, and then I'm going to go in with my curling iron and just recurl a few pieces of the wig because as you guys can see, I feel like some of the curls kind of fell out a little bit. So I just want to make sure that all the curls are tight and a little more neat as well. I also mentioned that this wig is 100% human hair, and I keep stating that because this wig, as you guys can tell, comes pre-colored. And I know sometimes with pre-colored units, they don't take the heat very well. So I really want to put emphasis on that it is 100% human hair. And you guys can curl this hair. You guys can straighten this hair. Honestly, whatever you would like. This wig is able to withstand that heat. Also, I didn't feel like this wig was like dry or brittle when I did put heat to it. I curled it after I straightened it. The hair was still very like luscious and very flowy as well. So that was a plus. So at this point, the wig install is basically complete, and as you guys can see, I did not use any glues or any spray for this install. It is 100% glueless, and this color is actually pretty cute. I was a little skeptical at first, but it actually came out really cute, and I love how this hair turned out. I think the length of it was perfect. The curls made it pop, and also it did look cute as well in a straight style as well. So overall, I would definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below. I will have all the information if you guys would like to purchase. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
You